Hello everyone, my name is Karun Mendiratha and I'm the founder and quant expert at Prepster Education. I'm back with a devilish question which you can expect on your GRE or GMAT exam. This question was asked by one of my recent GRE students, which apparently took him 6 to 7 minutes to solve. On GRE, this question will have a difficulty level of 165 plus, whereas on GMAT this would be 700 plus. Let us look at the question and we'll try to solve it in less than 60 seconds. For those who want to have a go at it, kindly pause the video right now and try it by yourself. So here we go. A bus from city M is traveling to city N at a constant speed, while another bus is making the same journey in the opposite direction at the same constant speed. They meet at point P after driving for 2 hours. That means we have been given that both the buses travel at the same speed. So let's say the speed is S and they travel for 2 hours. Let us do one thing. Let us draw a line and let's say this is city M and this is city N. So this bus is going towards N with speed S and this bus is going towards city M with speed S. So distance covered by each bus in 2 hours would be speed into time, which will give you 2S. So the distance covered by each bus is 2S. So we can say the meeting point P would be just right in the middle of M and N. So this is 2S and this is 2S. Now let's go for the second part. The following day the buses do the return trip at the same speeds. One bus is delayed 24 minutes and the other leaves 36 minutes earlier. If they meet 24 miles from point P, now we have a new meeting point which is 24 miles away from P. What is the distance between the two cities? So indirectly they want you to calculate value of 4S, since we know the total distance is 2S plus 2S. Let's assume that both the buses make the return trip at 4 p.m. They start at 4 p.m. and the bus from city M is late. Let us assume it is late. So the bus leaving from city N would leave early. So this leaves early by 36 minutes. So that is, it must leave at 3:24 p.m. now. And since the bus at city M is getting delayed by 24 minutes, it leaves at 4:24 p.m. We can clearly see that there is a difference of 1 hour. So time difference is 1 hour. So in 1 hour at a speed of S, the bus leaving city N already covered a distance of S. Also, this is our point P and this would be our new point P dash where they meet now, which is 24 miles from P. Now at 4:24 p.m. the bus leaving city N is already here. So when this bus leaves, the bus from city N is already here. Now since they'll be traveling for the same amount of time at the same speed, the distance covered by them would be equal. So the distance that M covers, the bus from city M covers, would be 2x 2s. We already know this is 2s, so that will be 2s minus 24. Whereas the distance covered by N, the bus which left city N, which is already here, would be s plus 24. Why s plus 24? Because it used to cover 2s and already covered s, so this distance is s again and 24 miles more. And since the distance are equal, let's equate both of them. 2s minus 24 equals s plus 24. This will give you the speed as 48. So the speed of both the buses is 48 miles per hour. All we need to do is just plug in the value of 48 into the total distance. So 4s is 4 times 48, which gives you 192. So the distance between these two cities is 192 miles, which is option E. I hope you liked this method. Do let us know by liking this video. And don't forget to redo this problem by yourself. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.